Laser Scanning Services Company in Phoenix, USA. Laser Scanning Services Company play a crucial role in various industries, providing accurate and detailed 3D representations of objects and environments. In Phoenix, Arizona, USA, one of the leading companies for laser scanning services company is the SCON Design. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise, they offer high-quality scanning solutions to meet the diverse needs of their clients. The company is equipped with advanced 3D scanners that can capture precise measurements and intricate details of objects, enabling accurate replication and analysis. Whether it's for architectural design, engineering projects, or heritage preservation, the SCON Design utilizes the latest 3D laser scanning technology to deliver exceptional results. A key component of laser scanning services company is the 3D scanner itself. These devices use laser beams to capture millions of points on the surface of an object or environment, creating a detailed point cloud. This point cloud can then be processed to generate a highly accurate 3D model. In Phoenix, Arizona, USA, the SCON Design is known for its cutting-edge 3D laser scanners. These scanners are capable of capturing data at an incredibly high resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured with precision. With their advanced capabilities, the company can provide clients with comprehensive and reliable 3D models for a wide range of applications. One of the main advantages of laser scanning services company is the ability to create highly accurate and detailed 3D representations. This can be particularly valuable in industries such as architecture and construction, where precise measurements are crucial for design and planning purposes. By using 3D laser scanners, professionals in these fields can obtain accurate measurements of existing structures or landscapes, allowing them to create more accurate designs and reduce costly errors. The SCON Design in Phoenix, Arizona, USA understands the importance of precision in these industries and offers top-notch laser scanning services company to help professionals achieve their goals. In addition to architecture and construction, laser scanning services company are also widely used in fields such as archaeology, forensics, and industrial design. The detailed 3D models created through laser scanning can provide valuable insights and aid in analysis and documentation. For example, in archaeological excavations, laser scanning can help record and preserve fragile artifacts by creating digital replicas. In forensic investigations, laser scanning can provide accurate measurements and documentation of crime scenes, assisting in the investigation process. The SCON Design in Phoenix, Arizona, USA recognizes the diverse applications of laser scanning services company and has dedicated itself to providing comprehensive solutions to clients from various industries. Overall, laser scanning services company have revolutionized the way we capture and analyze our physical surroundings. With their advanced 3D laser scanners and expertise in the field, companies like the SCON Design in Phoenix, Arizona, USA are leading the way in providing high-quality scanning solutions. Whether it's for architectural design, archaeological research, or forensic investigations, laser scanning services company offer unparalleled accuracy and detail. By utilizing this technology, professionals can make more informed decisions and achieve better outcomes in their respective fields. Laser scanning services company are useful in many fields because they provide precise and comprehensive 3D models of physical items and their surrounding environments. The SCON Design is a top provider of laser scanning services company based out of Phoenix, Arizona, USA. They provide high-quality scanning solutions for a wide range of customers thanks to their cutting-edge equipment and knowledgeable staff. The facility has cutting-edge 3D scanners that can accurately measure and capture things detailed aspects for subsequent reproduction and analysis. The SCON Design uses state-of-the-art 3D laser scanning technology to produce high-quality results in a variety of fields, including architecture, engineering, and historic preservation. The 3D scanner plays a crucial role in laser scanning services. These gadgets use lasers to take a detailed point cloud of an object or scene. Each point represents an individual measurement. The data in this point cloud can be used to make a precise 3D model. The SCON design is home to state-of-the-art 3D laser scanners in Phoenix, Arizona. Incredibly high-resolution data gathering is possible with these scanners, guaranteeing that no detail is missed. The company's cutting-edge resources allow them to offer clients complete and trustworthy 3D models for a variety of uses. Benefiting from laser scanning services company allows you to make precise and detailed 3D models. In fields like architecture and construction, where exact measurements are essential for design and planning, this can be especially useful. Professionals in these fields can use 3D laser scanners to get precise measurements of existing buildings and landscapes, helping them to make more precise designs and cut down on expensive mistakes. The SCON design in Phoenix, Arizona, United States recognizes the value of precision in these fields and provides excellent laser scanning services company to aid professionals in meeting their objectives. Laser scanning services company are utilized in numerous other industries, including but not limited to archaeology, forensics, and industrial design. Laser scanning produces detailed 3D models that can be used for study and documentation. In archaeological digs, for instance, laser scanning can be used to make digital copies of fragile items for documentation and preservation. Laser scanning can give precise measurements and detailed documentation of crime scenes, both of which are useful in forensic investigations. The SCON design, located in Phoenix, Arizona, USA, understands the wide range of sectors that can benefit from laser scanning services company and has made it their mission to provide these businesses with comprehensive solutions. When it comes to taking pictures and doing research on the real world, laser scanning services company have been a game changer. The SCON design in Phoenix, Arizona, USA, is at the forefront of providing high-quality scanning solutions because to its cutting-edge 3D laser scanners and extensive experience in the industry. Laser scanning services company provide unprecedented precision and detail, which can be used in a variety of fields including architecture, archaeology, and forensics. Experts in several industries can improve their practice by using this tech to collect and analyze more data. Laser scanning services company are applicable in a wide variety of contexts due to the high accuracy and depth of the 3D models they produce of real-world objects and their environs. The SCON design, with headquarters in Phoenix, Arizona, serves as a leading provider of laser scanning services. They have state-of-the-art scanning technology and a trained team, so they can serve a diverse clientele. The state-of-the-art 3D scanners at the facility can precisely measure and capture objects' intricate characteristics for later reproduction and analysis. High-quality outputs in sectors including design, engineering, and historic preservation are made possible by the SCON design's utilization of cutting-edge 3D laser scanning technology. When it comes to laser scanning services, the 3D scanner is indispensable. Lasers are used by these devices to create a point cloud of an area. The data points all stand for separate measurements. This point cloud contains enough information to create a detailed 3D model. In Phoenix, Arizona, cutting-edge 3D laser scanners can be found at the SCON design. These scanners can collect data at an extremely high resolution, ensuring that no information is overlooked. In order to provide clients with comprehensive and reliable 3D models for a wide range of applications, the company has access to state-of-the-art resources. When you take use of laser scanning services, you may create very accurate 3D models. This can be especially helpful in sectors like architecture and construction where precise measurements are needed for design and planning. To improve their designs and reduce wasteful errors, professionals in various industries are turning to 3D laser scanners to acquire accurate measurements of existing structures and landscapes. Many other fields also make use of laser scanning services, such as archaeology, forensics, and industrial design. The 3D models that are the result of laser scanning are extremely accurate and can be utilized for research and documentation. Forensic investigators can benefit from laser scanning since it provides accurate measurements and comprehensive documentation of crime scenes. The SCON design in Phoenix, Arizona, USA, has made it their mission to give comprehensive solutions to the many different industries that might profit from laser scanning services. Laser Scanning Services Company have proved revolutionary for researchers and photographers alike. With state-of-the-art 3D laser scanners and years of experience, the SCON design in Phoenix, Arizona, USA, is at the forefront of providing high-quality scanning solutions. Applications of Laser Scanning Services Company extend far beyond construction and engineering to sectors like forensics, archaeology, and even medicine. Many fields can benefit from increased data collection and analysis made possible by this technology. Thanks for watching.